Hello. Looks like we may be having maybe some bad space weather come in Friday night to Saturday night. So keep a watch. I watched this video from Suspicious Observers, and they saw an XCLASS from what they're observing from different satellites that watch the sun and sunspots and solar flares. They saw an X7 this morning emit from a sunspot directed our way towards Earth, and an hour later or a little bit later they saw another one that was the first one, was XCLASS 7, and then another one, XCLASS 9. So the XCLASS 9, he says, was stronger, harder, and emitted faster. So I think we may be having two of them overlap each other by the time they hit Earth, because if the XCLASS 9.05 actually catches up with the XCLASS 7 and hits at the same time, is compounding effect of two CME, coronal mass ejections, might be a little bit stronger than either one of them by themselves. So we may be looking at it hitting Friday afternoon to Saturday afternoon. In between there, I'd say pull out some cash just in case different comms that use satellite links get disrupted for credit card or ATM services. And then I would say get any preps in case in your area some of the grid is affected. It may overload some transformers, so prepare yourself. But here's the video. I went ahead and copied the video from them, and I'll give a link to the video in the description, but I wanted you to be able to see and hear it for yourself also. So here it goes.
This is a special space weather alert due to inclement solar flare activity. We have coronal mass ejection plasma shock waves coming to Earth from X7 and X9 solar flares. Each produced an eruption of charged material from the corona. Our last two videos hit the X7 event and how the CME is expected to arrive tomorrow night, Friday, October 4th. NOAA is forecasting level 1, 2, or 3 geomagnetic storms, somewhere between mild to strong conditions with a good chance for aurora. But now we've got more. Right after the morning show today, an X9 solar flare erupted from the same sunspot group, and it has also produced a coronal mass ejection. The sunspot may not be done yet, so we're going to keep watching, but the last couple hours I've been eagerly awaiting updates to the ultraviolet imagery and the coronagraphs. SDO images pretty clearly show that a CME was released, and the early images from SOHO show another full halo CME, in addition to other CMEs going off the limbs. This one was stronger, likely faster, and is traveling in the cleared wake of the first CME, so it is likely to arrive Saturday, October 5th. Nobody has official storm forecast yet, but if both end up hitting in close succession, we're looking at KP 7 or 8 at a minimum, level 3 or 4 geomagnetic storm conditions, and another low-latitude auroral event, possibly lasting for 2 or 3 days. Now, this is not quite at the scary kill shot level, but there's a greater than 50% chance of network outages, power disruption, and about a 10% chance of major electrical fires, transformer explosions, infrastructure failures, and grid damage. We will have more if necessary, and at very least, we'll be back in the morning for the daily update. Be safe, everyone.